Hi, I'm Steve Ruth, and this is a very brief note to any students who are registered in the PUBP 710 higher ed policy. That's the one called Technology Tuition Paradox for fall semester 2015. This is really quick just to give you an idea of what's going to happen the next few weeks. First of all, things you need to know about, most of you taking the course, it looks like, have been with me before in the program, so this may not be too surprising, but on the 17th of August, just a little less than a week from now, I'm going to be sending everybody a detailed course note, which will give you all the information you need about what the various due dates are. If you've been with me before, as a lot of you have, you'll be used to it. The course site, I'll open that up. I think it's on Monday, August 20th, and that will be available for you. You can look it over. You can get an early start. There's a lot of material up there, a lot of recommendations. The topics are really interesting. I think you're going to like them. The classwork itself begins August 31st, just like the regular school year does. We don't meet until the following week. That's following Saturday. But anyway, we meet, the classwork starts August 31st, and that work will be reading the material that's assigned, watching some of it, and also doing plenty of posts. And there's detailed information up there on what the posting routine is and how that works. And finally, there's a face-to-face class Saturday, September 5th. I'm really sorry that has to be in that holiday weekend, but there's no way I could arrange it with the class. The university, I wanted to have it the week before, but that isn't quite appropriate for them in terms of scheduling, so we're definitely going to have it in room 470, and I guarantee it's not going to take from 1 to 3:40, but we'll definitely be together long enough to get to know each other and also to get to know the material and get a solid start on the course. So finally, in terms of reminders, don't forget the trade-off here is we don't meet very often, but we do cover a lot of material and we share our insights based on these posts. That's a really important part of it. And the final grade is based entirely on 4 things: the posts, the portfolio, the research paper, and the final exam. Again, a lot of you have been through with me on this sort of approach, and you've done very, very well, so I have no doubt that everybody's going to be succeeding brilliantly. The material is constantly changing, but we've got a solid base. You'll see when you get up there, I've got just a very solid base of material, plus we have our own website for discussion, places where I put a whole bunch of really good citations that you can find, and also videos, other things. Also, get an early start on blogs and readings. When you finally get into the course site, you'll find that I urge you to get on a couple of blogs right away and start getting the material that's coming out in this field in the blog format. And finally, you can enjoy it. This is a course you can really enjoy because obviously you're selecting it because the topic interests you. The format apparently does too. So I look forward to seeing you, but I hope you'll remember that it is a course that can be very not only enjoyable, it's somewhat rigorous in the approach, but nobody really has ever had any difficulty with me on those kinds of issues. So I think it's going to be a very pleasant experience. Look forward to seeing you, and you'll be hearing more from me soon.